Hey everyone, welcome to West Anime Tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. Let's learn how to multiply with a single digit number in this video. As we learned from the video about times table, multiplication is about repeating addition of the same number. Now we're going to apply our knowledge of times table into multiply larger numbers. We always start from the ones place, we carry over if we have per product is more than 10, and we add the carryover after we multiply the next place value. Let's look at one example to see how it works. 23 times 3. We start with the ones place. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. We move on to the tens place. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Combine it, we have 69. Now we look at 42 times 6. Let's start with the ones place. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Now, 12 is more than 10. We bring one 10 to the tens place and we write 2 at the answer. We move on to the tens place. 4 times 6 is 24, and we add the 110 of the carryover plus 1 is 25. Combine the answers, you have 252. Now let's look at 314 times 6. Let me start with the ones place as usual. 4 times 6 is 24. Now 24 has two tens, we bring it to the tens place. 1 times 6 is 6, plus the carryover 2 is 8. We move to the hundreds place. 3 times 6 is 18. Combine your answers, you get 1884. Let's look at one question that has thousands. 1257 times 3. We start with the ones place. 7 times 3 is 21. Now 21 has two tens, and we bring over to the tens place. 5 times 3 is equal to 15, plus the 2 is 17. And we move 110 to the hundreds place. 2 times 3 is equal to 6, plus 110 is 7. Now we move to the thousands place. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Combine your answers, you get 3,771. Our final question for this video is 3,726 times 5. Let's see how it works. Let's start from the ones place. 6 times 5 is 30. We move 3 tens to the tens place. 2 times 5 is equal to 10, plus the 3 is 13. We move 1 10 to the hundreds place. 7 times 5 is equal to 35, plus 1 is 36. Now 36 has 3 tens, so we move on to the thousands place. 3 times 5 is 15, plus the 3 of the carryover, we get 18. Combine your answers, you get 18,630.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.